Hey folks, Corey Freeman here, and if you'd like to discover how to unleash the biggest free traffic secret of 2020 and beyond, to go from a standing start and literally have hundreds, even thousands of hungry buyers flooding into your affiliate links, e-commerce stores, blogs, or any other money site or link that you choose in just a few short days, please listen close. Because when it comes to generating an almost instantaneous flood of 100% free, virtually zero work buying traffic, Pinterest has become the gold rush traffic and income opportunity of the decade. Now I mean it. Unless you've been living under a rock lately, you're probably well aware of the shocking amounts of traffic that normal everyday people have been siphoning off from Pinterest. And for good reason. You see, unlike all the other social networks and platforms, where you need to grind away for months or even longer to build up your following, maybe in just the hopes of getting a trickle of traffic coming in, Pinterest is actually a massively growing visual search engine with 335 million plus monthly viewers. Now, there are hundreds of thousands of instantly rankable, low or no competition keyword phrases with massive search volume just waiting for your pins. And every pin or post, the way you want to think about it, is a direct link to a money site of your choice. Finally, high-income households are twice as likely to use Pinterest as low-income households. And when you discover a small handful of secrets and tactics used by the top Pinterest marketing pros, getting thousands of daily buying visitors to any website or money link that you desire is literally just a few pins and a few short days away. Now I want you to imagine this. It's 10 a.m. and you've just awoken from an absolutely gorgeous night's sleep. You slip on your bathrobe and wander down into the kitchen where a steaming fresh cup of coffee or tea is already waiting for you. Still in the dreamlike state of bliss, you walk a few steps over to your home office as a gleaming smile comes over your face because you know that with just 20 to 30 minutes and a few clicks of your mouse, you'll be uploading a brand new traffic gushing pin that will rank almost immediately for a high traffic money keyword on Pinterest, adding a brand new river of passive buyer traffic to your already massive Pinterest traffic. But listen, it gets better. Because you don't have to be the only one doing this. You might have managed to hire yourself a hardworking but dirt cheap virtual assistant that's also researching and putting up an additional 5 eyeball grabbing, traffic gushing Pinterest pins for you each and every day. All laser focused and ultra optimized to rank fast on a whole slew of low competition, high search volume, money keywords. That means between you and your VA, 10 or more money-making traffic-pulling pins are being added to your Pinterest account each and every day. Stack it on another 50, 100, even 300 or more daily buying visitors to any money link or site or email capture page that you desire. Now, if you think this sounds a little too good to be true, I'd really like to take this time to pray for you. Pray that your well-deserved skepticism doesn't at least stop you from at least trying out what I 100% believe to be the easiest gold rush free traffic opportunity the internet has ever seen. So here's what it all comes down to. Unlocking the Pinterest traffic secret empowers anyone to flood any money link or site you have with hundreds and more of daily buying visitors in just a few short days. Run your affiliate, e-commerce, blog, or any other business, any other money link kind of business, from anywhere in the world, and even avoid doing any of the work at all, if you don't want to, but only if you know a small handful of ultra critical secrets. Now listen, the truth is there's a small handful of ultra critical secrets that will literally make or break your Pinterest pin ranking and rapid traffic success and ability. Now when you don't know these secrets, you'll most likely set up your Pinterest account incorrectly, accidentally telling Pinterest not to display your pins or prioritize them. Your pins will be lost in a sea of thousands of other pins. Nobody will ever find them when they search for them, and you'll unknowingly be working against the Pinterest algorithm when it's so easy to just give them what they want. However, when you know the simple secrets of the top 1% of Pinterest traffic pros, your pins will skyrocket overnight to the top of the Pinterest results for 90% or more of the keywords that you target. Now, unfortunately, most people never even come close to learning these golden Pinterest secrets. And they end up wasting months and hundreds of dollars or more in sheer frustration, desperately trying to get the Pinterest traffic machine to turn on, but experience horrendously dismal results. I was one of them. But fortunately, you won't have to go through that same misery because I just gathered 8 of the world's top Pinterest traffic experts so you could scale your virtually hands-free Pinterest traffic at absolute warp speed. So scroll down this page to get the full details of this masterclass and all the incredible bonuses and everything we have in store for you. And whenever you're ready, click one of the buy now buttons below to get instant access while it's just dirt cheap. You don't want to be left behind here. And I will see you in the winner's circle. Take care.